I got it by exporting export audio only. Okay, and then saved it at this project, at this folder. Okay, so what is an API.wav? So this was saved as a WAV file. It was converted, all the audio was converted into a WAV file. All right, and then what I did was also on the media bin, I imported the PowerPoint slideshow. The PowerPoint slideshow from here. This is the PowerPoint slideshow. This is a PPTX file. You can see for the this one. Okay, so this is only for this. What is an API gateway? Now, what I did was I pasted. I just imported PPTX directly. Okay, so I just imported the PPTX directly by importing media bin. Okay, so import media, and I went to my presentations folder, and what is an API gateway? And it actually converted the slideshow nicely into frames with PNG images. So now all I have to do is to listen to the track and place the clips, image clips, and then synchronize after listening to the audio. Okay. So guys, this has brought me to this step of finalizing my clip, which is now I have added all of these media files, keeping in view the relevant section of the audio file that these scripts belong to, or these images belong to. And I have kept on adding the transitions also. Mostly I use the Bando. Say I am going to use it over here to make it smooth transition. Like, okay, so just make it and then I will just finalize and click on the export button to export this local file to my location.